Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Well, it's actually 11:40 at night, but I always say good morning to greet people. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What we see here is I'm using my smartphone to show a split screen of a simulation that I made on Scratch, right? So, I've been learning how to use Scratch. It's basic coding. It's actually a children's app. You can see all the games on the bottom. It's actually really cool. A lot of our students already use the app. Um, Tiola makes some really cool quizzes on this app. Actually, they're fully interactive quizzes from the Nicer textbook. We have Javanti. He makes some really cool games on it, like rocket ship shooting games and space shooting games that are actually level based. And oh, excuse me. They're level based, and as you progress through the levels, you can change your weapons, and enemies get more difficult, and the levels change, and there's boards, and there's bosses, and it's epic, and you feel like you accomplish something when you play the game because it's a really fun game to play. So I'm going to show you the simulation that I made. On top, we see an electron moving through a field. You can read the text, so I'm not going to explain it. I want to show you my game. So Professor 55, that's my name on Scratch. Hit me up if you want to check this out. You can see all my ideas here. So I have a whole bunch made, but I want to show this one particularly. So this is a magnetic field simulator. It's a lot more basic than the one on top. Whoa, listen to that airplane. It's a lot more basic than the one on top, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took me 5 lines of code, and I simulated the same exact video on top with 5 lines of code. I don't know if you guys hear me, but I'm smiling from cheek to cheek because I never knew how to code before. Well, no, I'm saying this wrong. Because I already speak very technically. And so when I look at this game, all I'm doing is picking the right words and putting the right words in. I'm making sentences, right? So if you look at the sentence says, oh, I'm not going to be able to see it. All right, let's get out of this one because we don't care about this one no more. We care about my code because this is the point. I got to switch and see it. All right. So when the flag is clicked, we're talking about the ball here, right? So the ball is the object that I'm talking about. So when I click the flag, which is its green emblem here, go and stop or whatever. When I click the flag, it goes to -60y. I'm sorry, x -60, y 0. That's a location. So you see whenever I click it, it snaps right back to that spot. Boom, snaps right back. Boom, snaps right back. And if you click it, you can actually change the numbers. So we can make it, let's say you want to move it. You want to make it go, oh man, now I'm zoomed in too far. There you go. Every device is a little glitchy in a little different ways, so be patient with it. Expect it to fail the first few times you do it. Just keep on working through it. All right, don't show frustration because that's not professionalism. So, all right, 180. All right. And now we can see when I start this code up again, it starts from a slightly different spot. Well, let's make it a positive 180 so that we can really tell the difference. Because, you know, if you bring it from a negative 180 0 to a positive 180 0, you bring it from, what quadrant would this be? Well, technically it's on the x-axis, so it's on the border between quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Between quadrant 3 and 4, if you draw an XY grid, and then if you move it to positive 180, it goes on the x-axis border between quadrant 1 and 2. So it does a reflection over the y-axis because the y-axis is common here. The y-axis stays 0, right? So think about that matrix that you're drawing there. You're drawing the matrix with all the numbers are 0, and then you're flipping this from negative 180 to positive 180, all right? And so it's going to start on the right side of the screen instead of the left side of the screen. Boom, you see that? Wait. Boom. Okay, let me go sideways again. Oh my goodness. I forgot about that already. All right, here we go. Boom, it starts from the other side. You see the reflection? It's a perfect reflection because we only just took the negative out. And if you look in your math worksheets, you should be working on that right now, because we hope to line up with curriculum with the math classes. And so this is a very simple task that you can use in your math class for reflection. So I should actually call this, well, no, I'll call the video reflection enforcement, just because we know we can use this app also for reflections. Don't do anything silly, Bermudez. All right, I'm going to stop this video before I destroy it all. But even if I did destroy it, we didn't even read the rest of the code. I was having too much fun playing with it. All right, it's only 5.5 minutes long, so we're not bad. Okay, so that was us exploring the second line of code, right? That whole fun time we had there, we only talked about this one line of code and how that code moves the ball around. And you can imagine if you change the y-axis, now you can see the ball moving along the y-axis. You should have a XY plot in front of you. The first thing you do is you draw the XY plot, you label the X, you label the Y, you label the positive, you label the negative, you label quadrant 1, which is top right, 2 is bottom right, 3 is bottom left, 4 is top left. What else do we label on our XY coordinate graphs? I don't know. I guess that's it. And then the next thing you would draw is your matrix. I love to draw a matrix. So in this case, we played with the let me see what app we would use to draw a matrix. We should have Lucid diagram. Lucidchart, that's what it's called. I have to get Lucid Press on this bad boy. Log in with my Westinghouse school. So Google. Yeah, Westinghouse. There you go. Woof. Here we go. So I'm looking for a matrix. So I'm going to choose a template, and this will be a mind map. Oh my goodness, I gotta explore these more. Well, I guess that's what we're doing, right? We're also exploring. Okay, the app is called Lucidchart. All right, it's in the App Store. It's on the Chromebook. I think it's on Apple. It better be on Apple. And if you go to the Play Store, I'm gonna also install, who's its name? Lucid Press. And I'll show you what Lucid Press is because we're doing resumes. And so, Lucid Chart. Okay, so I'm going to click on Lucid software. No, they don't have Lucid Press on here unless I go straight to Drive. This is a hack, guys. I'm showing you guys hacks here, so learn. How do I do this? Oh, nah. Let me stop talking trash because I don't know how to get this. Oh, create workspace. Google Workspace. Here we go. This is awesomely important. This is a new technology. I'm going to call this, what am I doing? I got to pause this to think for 1 second. I'm going to collect my thoughts. I'll let you know how long I paused my video for. Okay, I just realized that I was pausing my video to teach, and I almost didn't teach you guys how I remember where I was going. So I didn't close any of my tabs. So I just go back in my tabs and see what I need and what I don't need. So basically what I did was I started using my phone and I started creating a lot of trash because I didn't finish anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the trash out, and that's a very important skill. You have to do proper house cleaning. And this is digital house cleaning. You do not want to get stuck with your phone having 20 million different apps open, because then when you finally get to do what you want to do, you're like, damn, bro, my phone is slow. I can't do anything on this damn phone. And meanwhile, you look, you didn't take the trash out, B. You got mad stuff open still. So that's what I like to do. I like to take my trash out. So I explored Google Play Store. I know that Lucid Press is not in there. Again, Lucidchart is a very good app to use. Download it. I recommend it. We're looking for a mind map template to, and we can also look for a XY coordinate graph. But first we're going to make a Google, my shoulder. We're going to make a Google Workspace. And so this is going to be called, again, what are we going to call it? All right. So now, did we take out the trash? Again, we talked about not needing this. We're working on a Google Stadia sponsorship, so that's what that is. We don't need that anymore. I finished this task, so I actually don't need that task anymore. This is us. This guy Francisco tried to take my girlfriend. He's trying to take Blackpink. I introduced the class to Blackpink. I'm calling ownership on that. So that was me defending myself there in Discord with the students. I got to keep them in check because they like to spread rumors about who found pop stars first. But I'm claiming Blackpink. I want to make sure he knows that. All right, get this in the video, please. Make sure Francisco knows that I found Blackpink. Get that in there. Oh, you don't see me. I'm acting like I'm in camera and I'm like doing my gang signs. But they're my digital gang signs. They're not really thug related or violence related. I'm more of a love kind of person. All right, so get focused. Oh yeah, this is me live streaming. That's just my notification that it went through. Oh, that was a shameless plug because I'm trying to grow my YouTube. Thank you. That's why it was there for so long. My brain is at like 50%. I'm so tired. I know you can hear in my voice that it's like I'm like straining. All right, so I'm gonna do this. What are we gonna call it? Okay, so now we're done taking out the trash. So we're gonna call it magnetism, reflections, and scratch. What else do we use? Well, so far nothing. Well, at Google Workstation. That way we know where we are. Because technically, this is a cloud space. So it's a cloud server of services that run, they're services that run without a cloud. So basically it's just a bunch of APIs. It's a bunch of apps like Google Docs and all these different things, right? Those are based in servers. But the ecosystem is the APIs that collect them together, the information that they pass from Google Docs to Google Chrome to Excel to Drive, all those things connected together. That's an ecosystem that we use, and that is a workplace or a workspace. So that was a little quick introduction to brand new Google technologies that you guys might not know about. Add files. Oh wait, did I want to add files? No. Is it made? Okay, it's made. That's it. So now if I have any files that build up, I'll put them in there. And that's a workspace. All right, let's see if I can make some files. How do you make a web? I know how to make this into a file. I'm going to go into my copy. I'm going to show you guys how to encrypt a web address. So you're going to go to copy. Did I copy it? All right. Then you're going to go into, of course, I'm going to go into the Discord because that's my resource. And I'm going to go to the approved app list from my first period 10th grade class. And wait, did we make an approved app list? He needs to make an approved app list. I'm looking for a... Oh, no. I'll leave this in a more general chat. Announcements, resources. Oh man, this guy's... I can't derail focus. Where's my app list, Vance? We need a resource page for the approved app list. Maybe, no wait, maybe we can create an app so that, so an app link dashboard with all of the apps. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think Vance will understand me because I think Vance knows my language. And let's tag him. So before I do that, I'm going to pause this. No, I'll make them edit out I can't be pausing it because then I forget to unpause it. Let me make sure I'm recording. Yes, it says pause, so it's recording. Good. So at the inspired one. Thank you. Do you understand me? Just request. Okay, and to be able to go and click. Alright, he's playing games now because I can't find it. Bermuda's is getting held up in his workflow. I can't be doing this. This is my approved work list though. No, it's not. No. It's in ideas from my activities, boy. What? Oh, awesome. Look at that resume. Boy, beady bop, boy. That is fucking a 10th grade resume right there, bro. Holy shit. That's amazing. I'm sorry for my language. Please cut that out of the video. Wow, that's an awesome resume. I'm so jealous. I need to upgrade mine. This kid makes me embarrassed about my resume. That's awesome. I love that feeling. Oh, yes, my students are doing better than me in life. Oh, this is so proud moment. Thank you, 10th graders. I need to screenshot this and send that to someone important. Oh, my volume got chanked up. I gotta replace my phone. I cracked the crap out of the screen. And I want to send this straight to Miss Caprio. Classroom, no, email, Gmail, to S. Caprio. And, what's his name? I always forget his email. I get his name wrong from Joe and Joey. So I'm always thinking about that when I think about his name. And I don't think about his last name. I don't know why. I always mess up. All right. Oh, no. What? I wonder what link that goes to. That works for me because I have access. I don't know if that'll work for them. I don't want that. I want to put the screenshot. Let me pause.